trying to film this intro for like 10 hours it seems like. I just can't get it right. So maybe this will be my intro, who knows. Hey guys, so this is going to be a mini haul video of some things I've been recently gifted from some brands on Instagram. So if you're interested in this kind of thing, it's gonna be kind of like alternative clothing, then keep on watching and subscribe if you want to. Let's go. It got on my foot. Stay hydrated. I just thought I'd start this video off by saying that all of these clothes are given to me for free from brands on Instagram, but I am not paid to say any of this. I am going to give my honest opinion on everything. If I think that something is bad, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to be 100% honest. And yeah, I'm not being paid to say any of this. The brands don't even know that I'm talking about them. So let's get onto it. Let's get into it, I meant to say. Let's go. So first thing we have are these lovely, lovely trousers from Love Too True. So this is a brand on Instagram that does kind of like punk kind of styles. It's the only way I can kind of describe it. It's like punk, grunge, that kind of thing. They are kind of spliced two-tone trousers. So one side of the trousers is, or one trouser leg is yellow plaid, and the other side is just plain black, and there's a zip and a little button at the front, and it has belt loops, which is amazing, and obviously pockets. Yeah, these fit like an absolute dream. So I got them in a size 8, which is my size in the UK, so I'm a UK size 8, or a small, or sometimes an extra small, sometimes a 6, it's only sometimes, depends on the brand. But yeah, I got these in a size 8 and they fit perfectly. So I would recommend, if you're going to get some trousers like this, just get your regular size. They aren't stretchy, they're just rigid. So if you are a bit afraid and you want a little bit of room and you don't want it to be kind of a skinny-ish fit, then I would say size up. But yeah, these are great quality. They are so... the material is just amazing. They don't feel like they've been just thrown together. They feel incredible. This is good quality, and I would fully recommend, if you have been thinking about trying out this brand, go for it, because the things they make are amazing. So thank you to Love Too True for gifting me these trousers. I really appreciate it. They also go with everything. I mean, for me they go with everything because I just put literally anything with black and it just goes. So like a black crop top, a black jumper depending on the season, an oversized band tee, which I recently did on my Instagram. Just put black with it and it just goes like a dream. Also a pair of docs with these, oh my god, so good. So let's go on to the next one. We have, I think it's the brand Ninja Cosmico, I'm not entirely sure. So a lot of brands I'm not entirely sure where they get their clothes or make their clothes because they don't really say. I'm a bit wary of some brands. There are obviously some brands that are very well known for not being good, and you will never see me, never see me supporting them. I think you probably know what brands they are. They're the kind of like cheap, really cheap brands that are in a certain, I think you know, I think you get what I mean. Those kind of brands I won't support. But this brand contacted me and gave me a $50 voucher to spend at their store, so I did. And I got these beautiful pair of cargo pants or trousers or whatever you want to call them. They give me Kim Possible vibes and I'm here for it. Okay. I'm just getting excited because I wore these and I felt like Kim Possible. I put a pair of Docs on and I thought, oh my god. So I got these in a size small. I was a bit scared because you know, sometimes you just can't be sure with sizing. Sometimes you order a small and it feels like an extra small. Sometimes you order a small and it fits like a large. So, you know, you can never be sure. But these are actually really, really good quality and they fit perfectly. Again, like, I don't know how I had so much luck with this. Also, the belt, this eyelet belt is from Sleep Tazy on Instagram. It's founded by Nellikis. I think that's how you say her username. She's one of my favourite Instagram people ever. I love her, she's amazing, and she made Sleepy Kiss or Sleep Tazy, and you can use lxshlouise if you want 20% off your order. So if you like the look of this or like the look of anything on her store, then go get something because she's great and her shop is great as well. I don't earn any commission from any of the sales or anything. It's just purely if you want to get 20% off, go for it. So yeah, these cargo pants are just incredible. They have these really, really cool pockets, like big pockets with the zips on. They have pockets everywhere. They have cuffed little ankles and they have pockets to put your hands in, which is all I care about. I really hate it when trousers don't have pockets. What is the point in having trousers with no pockets? Where do you put your things? Do people, like, do brands just expect you to have a jacket or a coat on? It's like shorts. When, like, most brands put pockets on shorts because when it's the summer, you put stuff in your short pockets. Like, yeah, you might have a bag, but what if you don't? You just put, like, your phone in your pocket or your keys in your pocket or whatever. When you don't have pockets, it's like, it's just mind-blowing to me. Like, just put pockets on. Just maybe think about putting pockets on. Anyway, I'm not going to get into a rant about pockets because I could just talk all day about how unfair it is that brands just don't put pockets on their trousers or shorts. But anyway, or skirts. Oh my god. Skirts need pockets too. I'm not getting into it. They have really cool pockets everywhere. There's one there, one there, one there, obviously one there. Just so many pockets. Pockets for days. And it's just major Kim Possible vibes. And I am here for it. They feel really good. The quality's really good. And yeah, I would recommend buying from the store. These are great. The only thing that concerns me is the zip. Actually, hang on. The zip sounds a bit cheap, but it doesn't feel cheap. It's very strange. I don't know how to describe it. It literally just looks like a metal zip. Yeah, I think that's the only thing that kind of feels a little tiny bit cheap, but the rest of it is amazing. So overall, I would recommend. Okay, now, this is technically, wow. So I got this in March, I think, from Goodbye Bread. It's the Slipknot t-shirt. So I have 2 or 3 Slipknot tees before this one. And then I got this one from Goodbye Bread. I chose, it was one of the items that I chose from their list. And it came and it's a 2XL. And oh my god, it's so comfy. So I wear it as like a dress, but you can also just tie it up and wear it as like a crop top or like a tied up band tee kind of thing. I never really was into Slipknot when I was younger, but I've gotten into them now. Maybe I've just got more angsty as I've grown up. I don't know how that works because I'm nearly 23, but I like Slipknot. I think they're a really cool band. So yeah, usually I would buy from directly from the band. I was about to say brand. Directly from the band, or you know, like the official merch. This one was just randomly selected for me to, well, from a list that I chose. This was just the ones that they picked to send to me. So I saw a comment on, it was Love Too True's post, where I styled this tee with the trousers, the plaid trousers I shown, and someone commented, rightfully so, being like, why do you sell this t-shirt? You should support the band. You should support the band themselves. And I 100% agree. I think you should definitely support the band. This was just something out of a list that I chose from, and then they chose from the list that I chose from, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I always support bands directly, or I thrift the t-shirts that I do have from bands. Actually, most of my band shirts are thrifted, I think. Anyway, I would usually support the band apart from this, but this is a really cool t-shirt. It's really good quality. It's like pure cotton. It's just amazing. And yeah, it goes with everything. Pair of docks, some shorts underneath as a t-shirt dress. You wear it with anything, it's just amazing. It's just so good. Okay, so the last things that I got are from a brand called Black Heart Boutique on Instagram. So I was kindly gifted this little choker, which is so cute. It's such a basic that you need, and it just goes with everything. I've worn this one to death. I think I got this from Amazon or something, but this one is just so cute, really well made. And then I got this lovely little choker, which has a little crescent moon on it, which is absolutely adorable, and I think would look cute with absolutely everything. It's just so cute. Oh, I think it's the wrong way around. There we go. Now it hangs better. So yeah, it's just this little crescent moon choker, which is really cute, and it's on like a velvety kind of strap. Last but not least, oh dear, what's happened? Ah, Christ. So the next thing is this beautiful little pentagram necklace with black stones in it. It's so gorgeous. I love it just, and I think this would look really nice like on its own with just like a black crop top or something, or layered with chains like this. In fact, let's have a look. Yeah, looks great with other necklaces. It's just so pretty, and it's just so well made. Like none of the things that I have shown in this video are badly made, and I would 100% tell you if they were. Like the zip on the cargo pants didn't feel the best, and I'm just, you know, 100% honest. So if I don't like something, or I think something could be better, I'm going to tell you. So yeah, but this feels really good. So yeah, that was from Black Heart Boutique. And that is it, guys. That is my little mini haul done. So if you would like to see more videos like this, then please let me know, because I would love to do them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you would like, and leave a little like, leave a comment telling me what you think of the pieces, and if you are going to buy any, or anything you like. Actually, leave a comment and tell me how your day has been. I would really like to know how your day has been, and I'll be lurking in the comments so we can have a little chat. I hope you guys are all well, stay safe, take care of yourself, please stay inside. I love you guys very much, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!